everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete your transaction on Cash App. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've sent or received money to and from a fraud person and you would like to delete your Cash App transaction history, then the question is, can you really do that? Unfortunately, you will not be able to delete your Cash App history. Cash App history is private by default and only people with your credentials will be able to view your Cash App history. So, there is no need to delete your transaction history on Cash App whatsoever. But if you still want to delete your Cash App history, then the only way to do that is by permanently deleting your Cash App account. Simply go ahead and click the settings button from the left hand side menu and scroll all the way down, click on support. From the options under support, click on something else. Select edit account setting. Click on close your Cash App account and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to delete your Cash App account. Once you close your Cash App account, now you'll need to create a new account and start off fresh with Cash App. That is the only way you'll be able to delete your transaction on Cash App. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.